Just want to see some carnage? Check this out. See here, look at that, shattered disc. Ready? Disc's off, mate. Man. Do you want to see a bit more carnage as well? Check this out. I don't know if any of you remember the game Twisted Metal. Oh yeah, that is a good one. Yeah, look at the gun. Banana! Holy shit. Oh, the race is stuck on there as well. See the shock bolt here. Shocking. So, look, we got it. She's off. Come on. I think that's supposed to be straight, mate. Well, there you have it, people. New disc pads, spring, arm, the other arm, all of that. Shorting!